Alright, in this question, it's on variations. It says the weight of an object varies inversely as the square of the distance from the center of the Earth. So square, distance squared. At sea level, that's 3978. Oh, that'd be a distance. 3978 squared, K. At sea level, an astronaut weighs 220 pounds, so his weight is 220 pounds. Find his weight when he's 200 miles above the surface. So here's the surface, and he'd be 220 miles above the surface. But then his distance, it says the distance from the center of the Earth. So this distance in there is 3978. So really the total distance will be, what is that, 4198? I think that's right. Yeah. Hopefully. Anyway, his total distance will be 4198. All right, so, but I need to use that for my second part of the question. So first we figure out what K is. So K is going to be equal to 220 times 3978 squared. Let me just figure out what that is quick. 220 times 3978 squared. Oh, big number. 3.481, we'll call it, times 10 to the 9th. That's what K is. Okay, so now I can use that K value. So my K value is 3.481 times 10 to the 9th. And this time they give me a distance of 4198. So 4198 is the distance. And I need to know what the weight is. So I have to take what I just got and divide it by 4198 squared. 4198. 197.5 about. So his weight is about 197.5. Typically the place where students make a mistake is they try and use this 220 down here, but the distance is the distance from the center of the Earth. So you need to include that whole distance just to get you to the surface, so that's 3978, and add the 220 miles that he's above sea level. Hopefully that helps.